Alright guys, just a quick video talking about corrugated cardboard. This is like everyday cardboard, we see it all the time. And it's actually a really great invention. Whoever invented it, shout outs. It's a really strong material and it's a great material to actually sculpt with for many reasons. Now, if you look at corrugated cardboard, the reason why it is so strong, and we use it for packaging all the time, is because of this internal structure. Basically, we're dealing with three pieces of paper here. We got a piece of paper on the outside, a piece of paper on that side, and then that internal paper that is folded up almost like into little triangles, and it actually creates a ton of support and strength, which is awesome. So you can use these to sculpt and use these really good scissors. Not a regular pair of scissors, but these heavy-duty ones, and it snips right through. But when you actually sculpt, you're probably not going to always want to just sculpt something that's made of flat sides. So when you want to actually bend this, one thing that helps you is you kind of pull up on one side of the paper and you expose the corrugation underneath it. And try to do it slowly. If you go too quickly, you'll just rip off like little pieces at a time instead of bigger chunks like I'm doing, okay? And so by taking off one of the sides of paper, I'm weakening the structure of the cardboard, but that's okay because I want to weaken it because I want to bend it. And I can actually bend it into more rounded shapes instead of, like we said, flat shapes, okay? So once again, just pull away at the paper, try to do it slowly, and then if some of it doesn't come off, you know, that's when you just take the handy dandy pencil and kind of rip through it and pull it away. And it's a little bit of a process, but it's really, really cool. I think it was in 6th or 7th grade, my friend and I had to make a sculpture of the Parthenon for history class or something, and her dad showed us how to do this, and then we used these and just roll them up, and then it looked like little Corinthian columns, which is really cool. So that is corrugated cardboard. That's how to sculpt with it in a more rounded sense. So that's it.